my Falling into Fall series, and this week's tablescape is a Glam Dollar Tree inspired tablescape. And this tablescape is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by Ellen over on Glamour Ellen. And she has 8 co-hosts, and hopefully I can remember all their names. The co-hosts in this collaboration are Tammy from Queen of DIY, Candy from DIY Design by CCW, Shanti from Living Life to the Fullest, Stacy from Styling with Stacy, Chanel from Inspired by Chanel, Tamara from Love My Babies Forever, Erica from Love is the Main Key, and Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget. I will leave a link to the ladies' channels down below, as well as a link to the playlist and our gracious host Ellen's playlist as well. Let's get into this Dollar Tree Glam Tablescape. Alright, so for the past 2 weeks, I have shown you 2 different types of tablescapes. One was my all gray tablescape, which I really loved. A lot of you liked it, some of you didn't, but that's okay. Everyone has their own tastes and opinion. Then there was the Pottery Barn inspired tablescape, which was all thrifted items except for the centerpiece. You guys really loved that video. Thank you so much for the support on that. I greatly appreciate it. And this week is a Glam Dollar Tree DIY. So I just wanted to show you that you could put together a very elegant and sophisticated tablescape using Dollar Tree products, and no one would be the wiser. So this table is like a combination of high-end and low-end items from the Dollar Tree. Well, what would you consider high-end and low-end from the Dollar Tree? Well, let's break it down. So on this tablescape, I have a charger that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I have shown you this in the past. It is very pretty. You would think it would have come from a place like Pier 1, but it only cost $1. So this item is a high-end Dollar Tree product. The next thing that I would consider a high-end Dollar Tree product is the dinnerware. The dinnerware I picked up from the Dollar Tree over the summer. It is a smoky black glass. Pay no attention to the scratches. We do use these as some of our everyday dishes. But I thought it was a great price for $1. Again, it is smoky and it just gives me a modern element. And I picked up all the pieces, that go with the dinnerware set. So we picked up the saucer and we picked up the bowl. So this dinnerware set I consider to be high-end. Now the other thing that I consider to be high-end Dollar Tree is this beautiful placemat. You would not think this came from the Dollar Tree because it is black and is silver and shiny, very modern and elegant, but it did. It all came from the Dollar Tree. The back is all black. Again, a very nice placemat from the Dollar Tree that only cost $1, and it looks very high-end. So this is the high-end portion of the Dollar Tree tablescape. Now for the low end, Dollar Tree sells silverware. You can get 2 pieces of flatware for $1. Now you guys know I showed you my Goodwill silverware that I thrifted. That was actually from Pottery Barn, and it cost me 25 cents a piece. So I did not pick up any of the flatware from the Dollar Tree. What I did get, however, which I thought was really nice, is this silverware. It is plastic, but it looks very sophisticated, very elegant to me. So I picked this up, but this is our low-end item from the Dollar Tree. When you pair it with the high-end Dollar Tree items, it looks really nice. So if you were going to have al fresco dining or eating outside, this would be a good option for you to use to step it up a notch. Another thing that I consider low end is Dollar Tree doesn't really have any nice linen napkins. What I am using today are these hand towels that I picked up from the Dollar Tree over the summer. They have this, what are these called? Flamingos on the front, but we're not going to use that side, so I just flipped it over and I am using it on my tablescape like this, and I am just tucking in one side and then tucking in the other side to give us an elegant napkin for our centerpiece or our table setting. So I absolutely love it, and I think it looks perfect. If you didn't know this came from the Dollar Tree, you would think it cost a whole lot more than it really did. Now, to break down the centerpiece you have seen several times. I love white roses and greenery. Green is my signature color that I use in my home, so you will see that all the time. What I have added to the table, it is not Dollar Tree, but it is very budget friendly because this is a floral piece that I picked up from Walmart. It was a bunch of florals, so you can see there's several different types in this arrangement, and it was only $5. And I have paired it with a vase that I picked up on clearance from Joann's, and it was $6. So this centerpiece cost us $11. Along with our dinnerware from the Dollar Tree, I think that is a great price, very budget friendly, and I am calling this tablescape Dollar Tree Glam. Yes, Dollar Tree Glam. Because I think these dishes are very modern and glam to me. I absolutely love how they look. The little pumpkins, I forgot to mention, I picked those up from the Target Dollar Spot, or not the Target Dollar Spot, from Target. They were part of their fall line and they light up. And I will show you a photo of them lit up at night. I don't think you would be able to see them very well during the day. And I also picked up these little green, I guess they're like, I don't know, I forget the name of the floral, boxwoods. Little boxwoods, they were 97 cents, and I thought it complemented the table very well. So this is week 3, and this is our tablescape, Dollar Tree Elegance, or Dollar Tree Glam, for this week. I love the way this tablescape came together as well. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. If I had not told you that the dinnerware came from Dollar Tree, would you have thought it maybe came from somewhere else very expensive? Maybe like Crate and Barrel? I would think so, if no one had told me. And that is the look we are going for. And that is the purpose of my channel, is to show you how to decorate your home with style on a budget. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheryl. As I said, I love decorating my home with style on a budget and trying to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. And I think we have succeeded with this tablescape. So if you agree, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will be back next week with our 4th tablescape. So if you have not already hit that notification bell, please make sure you smash that button and turn it on so you do not miss any future uploads. So happy birthday, Ellen. It was so much fun participating in this collaboration with you. Thank you so much for co-hosting. I will leave a link for Ellen's channel down below, as well as a link of the playlist and all of the co-hosts in this collaboration. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.